Hello, this is a quick video, hopefully quick to do a graph. My data I'm looking at is a percent occupancy, and I've got the percent occupancy in crisis shelters. And so I can quickly throw that into ggplot, crisis. And the thing that I want is a histogram. And then when I run this, I get a histogram. And so I get that, and that's lovely. But what if I wanted to shade in between like 60 and 70? And so if I want to shade in between 60 and 70, oops, wrong one, Control Alt Shift F11, I would do the same thing, but I'm going to add, so it's a geom histogram again, but this time I'm going to specify that my data is the same data set. But what I want to do with this data set is filter it down or subset it. And I want the subset where my crisis shelter is less than 70 and my crisis shelter, sorry, not and, or crisis shelters is greater than 60. Okay. And then I'm scrolling down to make sure that my end parentheses show up. Supposed to be. So that shaded, that shaded here goes up to there, which is the beginning of histogram. That's awesome. Okay. And then I also want to do a fill equals green. And then let's see if that works. Oh, I made everything. How about I make that an and instead of an or? There we go. Made it an and. And so go back and zoom. Select. There we go. So here's my GG plot. I've got my normal histogram, another histogram where I'm taking my data and I'm subsetting it into the spot where my crisis shelters, just like here, my X is less than 70 and greater than 60, and I'm saying make it green. And then when I hit run, I get my histogram. And there's my crisis shelters.